Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Hear, O My Lord, I See Thee Face to Face. Again, a beautiful tune. It's a it's a key of C, and the chords you need are going to be your standard C chords: C, F, G, A minor. You're going to need also A major and D minor. Okay, let's run through the first verse. This hymn is in double or quadruple time, so we'll be using our basic strum Grab your song sheets and we'll play through all 5 verses. Here we go. Still prolong the hallowed of our fellowship with thee. Here would I feed upon the bread of God. Here drink with thee the royal wine of heaven. Here would I lay aside each earthly load. Here taste afresh the calm of sin forgive. Too soon we rise, the symbols disappear. The feast know not, the love is past and gone. The bread and wine we move, but thou art here, nearer than ever, still my shield and sun. Feast after feast thus comes and passes by, yet passing points to the glad feast above, giving sweet foretaste of the festal joy, the Lamb's great bridal feast of bliss and love. That was Here, O my Lord, I See Thee Face to Face. Again, beautiful hymn. Not too difficult. I mean, it's struggled a little bit, but overall, I think it was still fairly easy to learn this one. So, hope you enjoy learning this one as much as I did. See you next time.